The job description of a full-stack developer revolves around building and maintaining both the front-end and back-end components of web applications. These developers possess a comprehensive understanding of programming languages, frameworks, and tools that allow them to handle every layer of software development, from user interface design to server-side logic and database integration. Their versatility makes them highly valuable in startups, mid-size enterprises, and large-scale tech environments alike. Full-stack developers play a pivotal role in creating seamless, efficient, and responsive digital products. They work closely with project managers, UI, UX designers, and quality assurance teams to transform business ideas into functional, user-friendly applications. With their ability to operate across the entire software development lifecycle, full-stack developers help reduce dependency on multiple specialists and contribute to faster deployment cycles. In essence, the job description of a full-stack developer highlights a multifaceted position that demands both technical breadth and depth. These professionals must be creative, analytical, and adaptable, capable of switching between different technologies and challenges within a single project. Primary responsibilities of a full-stack developer. The most fundamental responsibility of a full-stack developer is developing web applications from end to end. This means writing code for the front-end interface that users interact with, as well as building the back-end infrastructure that supports application logic, data processing, and server communication. Common front-end technologies include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. On the back end, developers work with programming languages such as Node.js, Python, Java, Ruby, or PHP, along with frameworks like Express, Django, or Spring Boot. Another key duty is designing and managing databases. Full-stack developers are responsible for structuring data storage using systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or Oracle. They define schemas, write queries, and ensure data integrity and performance in support of the application's functionality. API development and integration form a significant portion of the role. Full-stack developers build RESTful or GraphQL APIs that allow the front end to communicate with the back end. They also integrate third-party services such as payment gateways, social login providers, or external data sources as required by the project. Troubleshooting and debugging are daily tasks. Full-stack developers analyze bugs or performance issues, apply fixes, and optimize code for speed, security, and maintainability. This includes testing code through unit tests, integration tests, and occasionally end-to-end tests to ensure smooth deployment. Version control and collaboration are also part of a full-stack developer's workflow. They use tools like Git and platforms like GitHub or GitLab to manage code repositories, coordinate with other developers, and maintain a record of changes through commits and branches. In agile environments, full-stack developers attend sprint planning, stand-up meetings, and retrospectives to stay aligned with the team. They also contribute to documentation, user manuals, or onboarding guides to support future maintenance and scaling. Midway through their diverse responsibilities, it becomes evident that the job description of a full-stack developer is not just about coding, it's about building robust, scalable, and user-centric applications from the ground up. Essential skills and qualities for the role. Proficiency in multiple programming languages is the cornerstone of a full-stack developer's toolkit. They must understand how to write clean, efficient code across front-end and back-end technologies and stay updated with evolving language features and best practices. Problem-solving skills are critical. Full-stack developers frequently encounter unexpected bugs, integration challenges, or performance bottlenecks that require analytical thinking and creative solutions. Their ability to troubleshoot under pressure directly impacts project timelines and quality. A solid grasp of design principles and user experience (UX) is important. While they may not be designers, full-stack developers should know how to create intuitive, responsive layouts that enhance usability across devices and screen sizes. Database management is another key skill. Full-stack developers must know how to design relational and non-relational databases, write optimized queries, and manage data security and backups. Familiarity with DevOps practices is increasingly expected. Knowing how to deploy applications on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Heroku, set up CI/CD pipelines, and monitor application performance are valuable additions to a full-stack developer's capabilities. Communication skills are vital, especially in team-based projects. Developers must articulate technical ideas clearly, collaborate with designers and product managers, and provide feedback to peers or clients in an effective manner. Adaptability and eagerness to learn are essential traits. Given the rapid pace of change in web technologies, full-stack developers must be open to continuous learning, whether through formal courses, online tutorials, or hands-on experimentation. Time management and self-discipline help full-stack developers meet deadlines, balance competing priorities, and maintain productivity, especially in remote or fast-paced environments. Work environment and challenges. Full-stack developers typically work in office settings, co-working spaces, or remote environments depending on the nature of their employment. They may be part of in-house development teams, software consultancies, or freelance networks. Their work is project-based and deadline-driven, often requiring multitasking and independent problem-solving. One of the key challenges is keeping up with the ever-evolving technology landscape. With frequent updates to frameworks, libraries, and tools, full-stack developers must constantly evaluate and adopt the best technologies for their projects without getting overwhelmed. Another challenge is context switching. Balancing front-end design with back-end logic demands mental flexibility and careful planning. Full-stack developers must structure their work to maintain consistency across the stack. Security and data protection add another layer of complexity. Developers must follow best practices for authentication, authorization, encryption, and secure data transmission to protect users and comply with regulations. Despite these challenges, the role offers immense satisfaction to those who enjoy building complete systems, solving real-world problems, and seeing their code come to life in a usable, meaningful form. Educational requirements and career path. Many full-stack developers hold a bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, information technology, or a related field. However, some enter the field through coding bootcamps, self-study, or online certifications that focus on full-stack development specifically. Certifications from platforms like Free Code Camp, Coursera, or Udemy can demonstrate knowledge of key technologies. Employers value demonstrable skills, portfolios, and hands-on experience more than formal degrees in many cases. Career progression for full-stack developers can lead to roles such as senior developer, technical lead, solutions architect, or engineering manager. Others choose to specialize in front-end or back-end technologies, move into DevOps or data engineering, or transition into freelance and consultancy roles. Conclusion: the job description of a full-stack developer reflects a dynamic and versatile profession that spans every layer of web development. These professionals are builders, problem solvers, and collaborators who bridge the gap between user needs and technical solutions. For individuals who enjoy variety in their work, thrive on technical challenges, and aspire to create complete digital products, the full-stack developer role offers a rich and rewarding career path. In today's technology-driven world, their ability to deliver fast, scalable, and intuitive applications makes them one of the most in-demand professionals in the software industry.